everyone, welcome back to my channel Gorgeous Panda. If you're new here, hello, I'm Nilufar Karim, the creator of this channel, and today we are going to do hair curling with zero heat and in a super saver way. Trust me, this is going to be fun. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for curling, we are going to use these heatless curling rods. I came across these stuffs through Amazon through the suggested pics, and when I saw this, I was like, I want to try this, because if this works out, then this is gonna be a banger, because this retails for 120 rupees on Amazon, and I think it took about 50 rupees as delivery charge, so it's 170, and that's a lot cheaper, to be honest. And so I'm trying to try this out, and if this works, I know you are going to try this out too. And till then, see me try and mess things up. So let's begin. So first I have to wet my hairs because it's quite dry at this point. Let me bring my spray bottle first. Wait a minute, I'll be right back. So I'm ready with my spray bottle, so let's start the process. Sorry again for construction noises, it's just common these days. I look like Salman Khan from Tere Naam. Okay, leaving that aside, so I'm going to make sections of my hair, and then I'm going to just roll. I'm doing this for the first time. Now I have a feeling I'm going to mess it up anyway. Okay, now I'm getting the hang of it. I feel like you have to twist your hair a little so that it grips onto the rods. What am I supposed to do like this? Let's talk. Actually, I wanted to do a Amazon haul as it's Prime Day sale, but I didn't quite find like some fashion products that had intrigued me to buy them, so I had passed this on this time. So I don't know whether I would be able to do these haul videos this time. Like, the situations are not on my side, like some things I don't like and some things are not coming to me. So how am I supposed to do that? So I have some other alternate video ideas at this point. I might be asking you through Instagram, so if you haven't followed me there yet, then I'll link my Instagram down below so that you could follow me there and give me your suggestions as well. Now it's been quite a while, it's the reveal time, so let's open them and see how does they work. My hair look voluminous rather than curly. I quite like how it's looking on this side, They doesn't look curly, but they look voluminous. I think I should have kept them for a little while longer. If I would have used more styling products, like, it would have given a little better result maybe. But we wanted to do this in the most cheaper way, so this is what it is. Like I said, I'm loving this portion. So what are your thoughts on it? Because I have a little mixed feeling, because I think I should have kept this for a longer period of time and it would have given a little better result than what it is now. But I like how voluminous my hair looks at this point, and this voluminous hair look is going very well with my outfit here. So maybe out of 5 I'd rate it 3.5. So I'm thinking to try it out one more day, and I'll be keeping it for a longer period of time, and I'll be posting that on my IGTV, because I won't be posting the same thing on YouTube twice. That's not the kind of thing that I like to do, and I know it would be boring for you to watch twice the same thing. So that's that, and I hope you loved watching today's video, and if you found it interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. And also don't forget to share this video with the ones who would love this kind of video, and that would help me to grow out as well. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.